Posting genuine testimonials on your website is absolutely game changer. Only they can boost your sales beyond your imagination. I have also created a workflow with the help of which all of the positive testimonials get created as a record inside my Airtable account. And not just this, it gets sent to my marketing team so that they can verify and post them on my website. I am doing all of this just because of this workflow that I have created inside my Pabbly Connect account. Now I know that it must be hard for you to just believe my words. That's why I will also show you the demo of this workflow. For that, this is the form that I have created, which I have circulated among my students so that I can collect their testimonials. Now I will quickly fill up this form, then I will show you the magic that will happen with the help of the workflow. So let me fill up this form. In here, first of all, let me add my name. So I will type down my name in here, and after that we will move towards our next question, where you can see it is asking me to add my email. I have added my email also. Now I will send this. Third question, it is asking me for the name of my course. So as I have took data analytics course, that's why I will type it in here, and I will move towards my fourth question, where it is asking me to rate the website from where I purchased this course. So I will rate it as 5 star. Then I'll move towards my fifth question, where I have to write a short message about this course. So in here I will type down this message. I have added this feedback message. Now I have to press this submit button to submit my form. You can see my form is filled successfully. So at first, let us check our Airtable base. I will open my Airtable account. Inside my base, you can see a new record with this name, email, course name, rating, and this testimonial is added successfully. Let us check our email also to see that if this mail is sent to our marketing team or not. So I will open my Gmail account. I just have to refresh this page. Then you can see here this new mail is sent successfully to my team, and this happened just because of this workflow that I have created inside my Pabbly Connect account. Inside my workflow, you must notice that here I have added this filter, with the help of which only the positive response that are above 3 star will get sent to my marketing team. So this was the demo. Now I hope that you believe me. Just wait for the next 15 minutes and you will also be able to create this exact same workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account so that you can also boost your sales. To start creating this workflow, just open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. You will get directed on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In here, you will get these two different options to create your account: sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, click on this sign up free button and create your free account, where you will get 100 free tasks every month, with the help of which you can easily create some workflows inside your Pabbly Connect account for free. But if you want to get more tasks, then you can anytime upgrade to the premium version of Pabbly, where you just have to pay once to get lifetime access at Pabbly. And while purchasing this subscription, if you will use this coupon code JAIYT, you will get an exciting discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So what are you waiting? Just go and grab this opportunity right now. But if you are an existing user here, click on this sign in button and get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. From here, you have to access the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. That's why just click on this access now button. Then you will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. In here on this right side, we have this button by clicking on which we can start creating our workflow. And on the left side, we have this folders option with this plus button. By clicking on this plus button, you can create folders for yourself, and in that folder, you can save your workflows to stay organized. Now let us start creating our workflow. For that, we have to click on this create workflow button. Then you have to select among these two different workflow builders. First one is my new beta version and the second one is our classic version. Both of these are amazing workflow builders. You can select any one of them as per your preference, but I will select this new beta version because I am more familiar with this. So we have to select our workflow builder. Next, this dialog box will be visible to you. So in here, you have to give a meaningful name to our workflow. So I will name my workflow as this skill rise automatic testimonial connector. After that, from here, we have to select the folder in which we want to save our workflow. As I have already created these 3 folders, so from here I will select my folder, then I have to press this create button. Inside this page, we can start creating our workflow by integrating multiple applications. At first, we will select our trigger application. So this trigger application is like the event with the help of which we can kickstart our workflow. First of all, for my trigger application, I will select type form because I have created a form inside my type form account. But if you have created your form inside any other application like Jot form or Google form, you can also select them as your trigger application. To select your application, just click on this plus button. Then inside this search box, search for the application that you want to select. You can see I have searched for this type form and now it is visible to me. So I will select this from here. Then we have to select this application event also. For my application event, as I want my workflow to get triggered as soon as a new entry is received from my type form account. That's why I will select this new entry as my trigger event. After that, we have to create a connection between type form and Pabbly Connect. So for that, we just have to press this connect button. Then you will see these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. From here, if you have already established a connection, you can go with the select existing connection. But if you want to create a connection for the first time, you can go with this add new connection. So in here, I will show you how to create a connection for the first time. That's why I will select this add new connection. Then I have to press this connect with typeform button. And as I have already logged in inside my typeform account, that's why you can see Pabbly Connect has detected my account. Now I just have to scroll down and click on this accept button to grant Pabbly Connect access inside my typeform account. You can see my connection is created successfully and there is no need to worry as your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe. You can see here my connection is created. Now we just have to select our form. Inside my typeform account, you can see the name of the form that I have created to collect testimonials of my student is the skill rise testimonials. Inside my Pabbly Connect account also, I have selected this exact same form. Now to collect the response here, we just have to click on this save and send test request button. But before that, as I want my response in this simple format, so I will select this format as simple. Then I'll press this save and send test request button. You can see Pabbly Connect is waiting for webhook response. This means that we have to submit a test response. For that, we have to again fill up the form that we have created. I will open my typeform account. I can copy the link of this form from here and open it in a new tab. After opening this page, in here I have to fill up this particular form. You can see this form is opened in front of me. Now I will fill up this form. First of all, I will type down my name. Next, I will add this email. Now I will add this course name also. Then in here I will rate this skill rise as 5 star. After that, for this last question, in here I will type my feedback message. I have added this feedback message also. Now let us submit this form. My form is submitted. Now let us check our Pabbly Connect account. In here you can see I have successfully received this response. Inside my response, I have received every detail that I have added while filling this form. You can see here these details are added. This is the name that I have added, you can see, and this is the email that I have added. After that also, you can see this is the course name. This is the rating that I have provided. This means that my trigger step is working all fine. With this, we are all set with this trigger. From now onwards, whenever any customer will fill up that form, automatically all the response given by them will get captured inside our typeform account. Now we have to work on our action steps. That action step will be the response toward this particular trigger. This means that what will happen after our workflow is triggered. Now the first thing that I want to happen after my workflow is triggered is to create a new record inside my Airtable page. For that, we have to add an action application, Airtable. We have to click on this plus button given here. Then in here we will search for this Airtable. You can see this Airtable will get visible here, so we can also select this from here. For this application event, as we want to create a record, that's why we will select this create record. Now we have to create a connection between Airtable and Pabbly Connect. For that, we just have to click on this connect button. Then you will get these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. So if you have already established a connection, you can go with the select existing connection. But if you want to create a connection for the first time, you just have to select this add new connection, then press this connect with Airtable button. So I will click on this button. On the left side, you will see as I have already logged in inside my Airtable base. That's why Pabbly Connect has detected it. Now I just have to click on this add all resources. Then I have to press this grant access button. Instantly, Pabbly Connect will detect my account. You can see Pabbly Connect has detected my account and my connection is created successfully. Now I just have to select this base name and table name at first. Inside my Airtable base, you can see the name of my base is skill rise testimonials and the name of my table is customer reviews. So inside my Pabbly Connect account also, I will select the same base and table. For this base name, I will search for the name of my base is skill rise and here it is visible. So I will select this. After that, this table will get visible in front of me. Now for this table, as my table was customer reviews, that's why I will also select this. You can see as soon as I have selected my table, Pabbly Connect has detected all the columns that I have created inside my table. Now I just have to fill up details inside these fields one by one to successfully create a record inside my Airtable base. And to fill up these fields, I will take help of mapping, because by mapping we can make our data dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if I will type down these details manually, like if I will add the name of my customer manually, then that particular field will remain static and it will not change unless we manually change it. So that's why, to allow our data to get changed automatically, we will take help of mapping. Now to map data, you just have to click on this box and press this slash button. After that, you can select the data which you want to map from this drop down. But as we have also option to search for our data, so in here, as we want to map the name of our customer, that's why I will search for their name from here, and here this name is visible, so I will select this. Then for this email also, we will press this slash, search for the email provided by our customer, and then we have to select it from here. For this course name, I will again search for this, as this is the data analytics was our course, so I will select this. For this rating, as I have provided 5 stars, so I will search for this 5, and in here you will see that here inside my response this 5 is visible, so I will select this 5. After that, we have to add this testimonial, so I will search for this testimonial also. I will just select this. You can see here this is the testimonial that I have provided. Great work with the notes, thanks. So I will also select this. Here I have mapped all of this required fields successfully. Now I just have to press this save and send test request button to successfully create a record. So I'll press this button. Inside my response, you will see I have received this data. This means that a new record is created successfully. So let us check our Airtable base. We just have to open this page. Here you can see a new record with this name Raghav Kumar, and this testimonial is added successfully. This means that my action application Airtable is working all fine. Now I have to work on my last action application, with the help of which we will send all the data of this testimonials to my marketing team so that they can verify and add it to my website. Now for that, to send an email, we again have to click on this plus button given here. After that, we have to select Gmail as our action application. Then for this application event, we have to select this send email. Now after selecting my application and application event, I have to press this connect button to create a connection between Pabbly Connect and Gmail. In here also, I have received these two different options, add new connection and select existing connection. This time also, I will show you how to create a connection for the first time. That's why I will select this add new connection. Then I have to press this sign in with Google button. On the left side, you will see Pabbly Connect will detect your account, so you have to select your account from here. After that, inside this next page, just scroll down, click on this continue button to grant Pabbly Connect access inside your Gmail account. And there is no need to worry, as your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe. You can see my connection is created successfully. Now we just have to fill up these fields one by one to send a mail to our marketing team. First of all, for this sender name, I will add the name of my form. So inside my Typeform account, you can see this is the name of my form. So I will just copy this from here and paste it for this sender name. For this sender email address, Pabbly Connect has automatically detected my email address, so I will let it remain as it is. Then for this recipient's email address, in here I will add the address of my marketing team because I want to send them this mail. So in here I will just type down, I have added the email address of my marketing team. Now I will move towards this email subject, but I will skip this CC, BCC and reply to, as these are not mandatory. I will directly end this email subject, new positive testimonial received. Now I have to add this email content, so I will add this also. Here I have added the static part of my email content. Now in here I will map some of the details of my customer, like their name, course and rating given by them. First of all, for their name, I will search it for the here and then I will select it. Then for this course selected by them, I will also search for the data analytics course and then I will also select this. For this rating, I will search for this 5, as I have given 5 as my rating. From this drop down, I will select this number 5. After that, for this review, I will type down this particular thanks. You can see this is the review that I have provided, so I will also select this. With this, I have successfully added the content of my email. Now I have to scroll down and click on this save and send test request button. Instantly you will see that this mail will get sent to my marketing team. Here we have received our response as sent. Now let us check our Gmail account. I will open this, go back, just refresh this page. And you can see this new email to marketing team with all the details about this new testimonial is sent successfully. This means that my workflow that I have created here is working all fine. So basically our workflow is complete, but as I only want to send positive response to my marketing team, that's why inside this workflow I will add filter, with the help of which I will filter the testimonials provided by my customer, so that only the testimonials where the ranking is above 3 will get sent to my marketing team. Now in here we have to add a filter. For that, click on this plus button, then just select this filter by Pabbly. After that, for this application event, select this filter values, then press this connect button. Then you have to select this label filter type and add this value. For this label, we will search for this rating that I have given. So yeah, I have given this 5 as my rating. So I will search for it, then I will select it. Now for this filter type, I will select it as this greater than, then inside this value, I will type down this 3. Here I have added this value, with the help of which this filter will filter all the testimonials provided by my customer, and it will send further only those testimonials whose rating is above 3. So I have added this. Now I have to press this save and send test request button to successfully add this filter. I have received my response as success. This means that this filter is created successfully inside my workflow. So with this, I have successfully demonstrated how you can create this automatic testimonial collector inside your Pabbly Connect account. That's it for this video. If you want to use my workflow, then for you, I will add a link of this workflow in the description box so that you can use this workflow and automate your business right now. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. Just a quick reminder that if you are thinking to go premium, don't forget to use this coupon code JAIYT, also available in the description box. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Not just these, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and you can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check this particular website. So what are you waiting for? Just go and automate your business with the help of Pabbly Connect.